Next, coming to another important agriculture practice, that is protection from weeds. Bojo and Paheli went to a nearby wheat field and saw that there were some other plants in the field growing along with the wheat plant. So, is these plants have been planted purposefully? No. So, in a field, many other undesirable plants may grow naturally along with the main crop. Okay, that undesirable plants we call it as weeds. Weeds are undesirable, not wanted. Unwanted plants, we can say. Weeds are unwanted plants growing naturally along with the main crop, we call it as weeds. So the removal of weeds. So removal of weeds from the main crop, we call it as weeding. Removal of weeds is called weeding. So weeding is necessary since weeds compete with the crop plant for water. You know that main crop is also there, and along with that, these weeds are also there. Means so there is a competition between these two plants, like main crop and the weed plant. So that's why weeding is necessary since weeds compete with the crop plant for the water, nutrients, space and light. ಓಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಲೈಕ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಿಯೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಲೈಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಡಸ್ ದೇ ಅಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ದ ಗ್ರೋತ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಮೈನ್ ಕ್ರಾಪ್. ಸೊ some weeds interfere even in harvesting and may be poisonous for animals and human beings also. So some of the weeds will interfere with the like ಫಾಡರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ಹಾರ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನು ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವೋ ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಬರ್ಬೋದು, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಟ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಪಾಯ್ಸನಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಈವನ್ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್. Farmers adopt many ways to remove weeds and control their growth. So during tilling ಉಳ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೇನೆ before sowing the any crops help in uprooting and killing of weeds. So which may then dry up and they will get mixed up with the soil. The best time for removal of weeds is before they produce flowers and seeds. ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ವೀಡ್ಸು ಅದು ಹೂವು ಆಗಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಸೀಡ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೂ ಮುಂಚೆನೆ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರಿಮೂವ್, ಆರ್ ಎಲ್ಸ್ ಆ ಸೀಡ್ಸು ಮತ್ತೆ ಸಾಯಿಲ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಸಾಯಿಲಿಂದ ಗ್ರೋ ಆದಾಗ ಸೊ ತುಂಬ ವೀಡ್ಸ್ ಬೆಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಂಥ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಫಾರ್ ರಿಮೂವಲ್ ಆಫ್ ವೀಡ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ದ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಫ್ಲವರ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ seeds. And the manual removal includes physical removal of weeds by uprooting or cutting them close to the ground. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಏನಾದರೂ ಈಗ ಪಾರ್ಥೇನಿಯಂ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಎನಿ ಅದರ್ ವೀಡ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಪ್ರೂಟ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಅವರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಒನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಬೈ ಕಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ದೆಮ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಟು ದ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್, ನೆಲದ ಹತ್ತಿರದವರೆಗೂ ಹೋಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಟೂ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. And also from time to time we have to remove all these things, and this is also done with the help of a kurpi. Okay, you might have heard kurpi anta karitare idana. Okay, and even with the seed drill is also used to uproot the weeds. Weeds can also be controlled by using certain chemicals that we call it as weedicides. ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು weedicides ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. weed ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ unwanted plant. Side, CIDE means death anta or kill anta artha. So we are killing the weeds. So weeds are also controlled by using certain chemicals. We call it as weedicides. So example is 2,4-D. So it is an weedicide. Example for a weedicide. Here you can see a farmer is spraying the weedicide. So weeds are, as I told, these are controlled by using certain chemicals called as weedicides. Example is 2,4-D. So these are sprayed in the field to kill the weeds. They do not damage the crop, and the weedicides are diluted with water to the extent required and sprayed in the fields with a sprayer. Okay, we are not directly spraying that weedicides. We have to dilute it with water. Then we have to spray with the help of a sprayer. And do weedicides have any effect on the person handling the weedicide sprayer? ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಈಗ ವಿಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಸ್ಪ್ರೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋರಿಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಡ್ಯಾಮೇಜ್ ಆಗತ್ತಾ ಅಂತ. So as already mentioned, the weedicides are sprayed during the vegetative growth, means before flowering or before seed production we have to spray it. So vegetative growth of seeds before flowering and seed formation. So spraying of weedicides may affect the health of a farmer because they should because since they are very since they are chemicals, it may enter into his body and it can damage his body and it may cause diseases. So they should use these chemicals very carefully. They should cover their nose, mouth with a piece of cloth or a mask during spraying of these chemicals. So ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಪ್ರೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ they must be very careful. It should not enter their lungs or even it should not enter the digestive tract. So a farmer must be careful. So this is about protection from weeds. I hope you have understood. Thank you, children.